Honest in the baking money when I with a video about that story Hemena Anambra State about a father natural can wear no one. Now this is the full topic, this is the full video. So that keep pay attention. Came on that the certificate has been given to them and more details came out from this video. So without not wasting much of your time, Biko, go ahead and watch this video. Before you watch, don't forget to like, share, and after watching, don't forget to drop your comment in the comment section. Bye.
Okay, God bless you, the general public. Just for clarification, I'm gonna news Ochoy Bos Sinoba. The incident that happened here on the 10th of January is not something that started then. This started last year, December, when this man came to see me in my office. According to their children, Bafia. So I have the in-law, Nadia. Oya Abu Papa, the young man that wedded, because I said it, I did everything possible to restore peace. Actually, the matter till so I want you to brief to them, just general public. The mother to the young girl is also here. This is their certificate. I'm going to hand it over to them. But I must appreciate the brothers, the kinsmen, that later came and collect the bride price. So, in a brief shell, can even men.
Even men na ekene kanwam gbale uno ya nu ya ekene hotel bagaba niru destined na ba ti date when ekene apakali ti date ejebe ba abia ruo golu ma akwa gole ekene akwa chinya ekene chinya 20 invitation chinya 20 invitation anyị gawa n'iru mkpọrọ onye be anyị bụ owu onye na okenye be anyị jebe be ekene si ekene na ibe anyị bịara bụ ebe ọ bụ n'ụlọ akpakọtago ka mmeri ga ego n'ọnya bụ aka mmenyere nwa nwoke eji m onwe ya eji m ọjị ọwa sị na nya ya na ihe mere ego mbọsị abụ ka eje gbaa aba ibe aba kwuo ego kwesị nya lie ka nya dị nsa na mụ nabatala ya anyị ka agba ma aba anya agbabakwu aba na biya gbata na ihe eje na-ekwu ana gbata na ihe eje na ndị ichie ekwetasịrị m emebezie m iwe abụ gaba ekene ya bidodio na mkpọta ndị aba nkwụ ụgwọ 40,000 na-ekwu ana go everything ekene asị na ya emerụ omenye nke iziba alị nke ahụ eruo nke bụ mbịakwa ibe mere ya dị ya the next thing o mezigo na oji agbamakwụkwọ n'aka man of God on 24 December ọkpọm adị m surprise na onye dị etu okwu kpọrọ m ibe mụ na amaghị mbọsị ọbịa nye my wife mbịa ekene ukwube ka o sidere ya kwụsie man of God jụọ anya kedu ibe ya eme ma gị wali nwa gị ọjị kpere ya ekpere ọ sị na ọya nwụrụ ya iyi man of God sị na nke ahụ adịrọ mma na-emesi gị ibe niile na nye kwesịrị ikweta ka emebeli gị ibe gbasatara alụsị n'ụlọ ụka na nye asị ka obi dị gọcha na ọmụọ ị na-ebe ọ sịrị ekene kedu ibe ya eme ekene kwe na ya eje na ikpu ana ekwetara na mmeje kwe na eje na ndị ichie ekwetara na mmeje si ejesizi anya anyị ewere mmanya oje ya ọnụ ya ayịyọ ọwarị ya ọjị emesịrị ibe niile at the end of the day kene epeziti na nwatakịrị ya aṅụrị ya iyi
gịnị
ibe aṅụrị ya Igbo ya na nne ya emekọnete ya na mgbọgbọ ya emekọnete na ya na-atụ egwu na nne kwuru ọdị nwa ya bụ na ya na-atụkwa n'ihe egwu.
Okay, Tambia, like I said, if mgbe amalitere this problem, papa anya abụsịrị onye ụka. Ekene na onwe bụ a native doctor, including the young man who is coming to marry your daughter. So ije na abụsị abụrụ ife ofu to them. The matter has been there. Now I told them, oh, no, even in us, I am Buria, Obama, no. Now before I continue, now wine, which is impossible, or the impossible. So for those of you that are talking trash, and when you don't have wisdom, you cannot handle this kind of matter. You are not holier than Reverend Charlotte. We know how to. I'm a trained priest. Are you getting me? So there is no way, if these people are staunch member and the people that belong so much in what you are doing, it is only the girl. For this, yeah, it is our duty. And when did you get a baptism? When I ask if I it is our duty to baptize any child that comes into the church. This young girl married somebody who is into the other side. It is our duty to wed them just to save our own member. I advise them because I have seen that the devil want to use that man to stop that marriage. And I asked this man, tell me, what do you want? And he said up to 3 things. And I told you people, I didn't send all of carry it and go to wherever he mentioned. The man is a native doctor. This one is also into Omerani, you know, and even the young man coming to marry the girl in question. So it is not a new thing. It is not a new thing to them. Going to shrine is not a new thing to. It is what they believe. If you don't do it, that man will continue to fight this marriage. And I said to him, yes, I even condemn, even when I don't know why it will battle all this while. So bad. Or Gakeri was this in Agame. I got with them hot. Where they are Yabiku. Mark ever will hot to the Obunike, GSM cultural dance. And I gave to the daughter. Go and buy cola. When you say cola, go and beg this man. Why this one who is also into native stuff? Go and settle with him so that this thing will work. And when he got to that place, or seen that this girl will come there, it is not done anywhere. And the mother to that young girl was here with us on that day. And don't ever, Madam Biela. You want S-wife,
yes, sir.
Must you invite ever with where you are here, right?
Yes, sir.
Can you even go alone?
Which is our mama. Nammesia, Jacobacana. All the Tapona Mesa Buana, can you can? May I bless this marriage? All the money I will wish, of course, wish money. May I promise him, Tafadioke, which is my one Jacobacana. Cook it up on a gate. He refused to open gates for us. Shawa could did best to solve this marriage, but I cannot refuse. I don't know what's my offense. Now, I beg, see, I cannot refuse.
Okay, now, for how long since you get a Kenabasal or a Kenabo Maka or Bibofa?
Mazin.
We're now so far.
Yes.
And now the girl want to marry. Get you a sick, let's see if Chobatiana. Now, whatever man, ask me to go there.
Yes, sir.
You go there.
But before this marriage go on, I cannot put Adam wine. Say, I'm not buying this young. Can you pay? No problem. Go and settle with your father.
No, so now get no, yes, separate.
Yes. No, but just busy with Ekene. But you did. Maybe this marriage arranged. The next symbol, Abraham said, yes, was name. Natural can be for the marriage.
That is the only problem. that this woman will not be involved in her daughter getting married. I even gave you people illustration. Agwa m that day. There was a man a bureau for a long time. But the day the daughter went in this church, two of them came. You wouldn't even know. During the time I asked a photo, the husband never, ex-wife not ever, their daughter not ever. The original wife of this the person also stood with us, and we took picture together. So I am not making this video for some foolish bloggers that are saying nonsense. You don't have wisdom. If you have, the Bible even said it, that my people will perish for lack of knowledge. If this kind of matter came to you to handle, I know you will make mistakes. You make mistakes. The man in question is a native doctor. The in-law is also into the native doctor. Even the young man coming to marry the girl. I stood to wed the girl because she is my member, and it is my duty to wed her. I'm a trained priest. Are you getting me? So I don't go to comment, but people are drawing my attention. Nancy, I encourage my members. Am I afraid of Alusi? Alusi maybe. Alusi destroy. Do you know how many Alusi destroyed last year? Even as at last week, I destroyed Alusi and Tejeba. So what I have to say is this: continue to pray for Ekene. Continue to pray for him. It is prayer that he needs. When he came here, I welcomed him. Yes, and we go some forces. Then we go some forces. I don't even know. Only one name woman. I'm gonna move the kind of woman who knows the school keep as well. I'm not woman and a beaver. Woman and a DJ. They come more DJ. I got to go, but this is wickedness to the highest order. Yes. So I am saying doing this big video to clear the air that the family, both the other one and the other one, they are also into that thing. And if you insist, there will not nothing like Adosi, nothing like Ndichie. The thing will not work. Yes, and some of you that are talking trash don't know. That man now acquire something. Ejimia, Ejimiofo. Ofon Jeriabu. Isina Ibu Divya. And then all tagi now get good David teacher where they are there. And the being that your in-law are also into the same thing. I told them, go and do whatever he said you should do. But apart from this particular one, the one of taking oath that I'm a maker. Ekena brought the first person by divorcee. And I believe he's married now.
2 wives.
Okay. So after getting why now? And this one is also married somewhere Umwe. So I don't know the reason why he will insist now the daughter will swear. It is not done anywhere. So my dear people of God, I want you to debunk any news. And I encourage my members to go to shrine to appease the gods. No, the man said, for me to allow this marriage to work, look at what I need. I need the mewu, I need the moji, I need the, and I told you people, go and buy it. And since you are into the line, then the daughter didn't go with them, and the young man insists. Now the girl, because it is not done. And thank God for his kinsmen that stood and collected the bride price. Kudos to them. Amaram naka wele ezigbo ụmụnna na obodo Nigeria. So Chukwu gozie kere ụmụnna bi ya. Umueri Amadi Aba. God bless all of you. Stand strong. When shake. Stand for the truth. No matter where you belong. Ogun name on the other side. Ezioku is what will set us what? Free. That Jesus is the way, the truth, and the life. We will continue to say the truth. And they will say, even the reason why I didn't issue the certificate is because of the issue of bride price. And I have seen the video. I confirm gonna analog the bride price. So I saw the video and I called. So every case is settled. So let nobody mention my name for anything that is not true. Give one on that think that you are holier than thou. When the case will come to you, I know you will be confused. You won't even know what to do. You know, when you don't play with somebody that is filled with wisdom, both wisdom of God and wisdom of man. God bless all of you. So on that note, I issue this certificate for the glory of God. Go and enjoy your marriage. Go and take your certificate. Go and enjoy your marriage. Go and enjoy your marriage. Continue to love yourself. Continue to love her. Continue to love him. Respect him. Love her. Just like Jesus loved his church. For the fact I'm taking that's April the price. Only I'm this girl which you know. So yeah, was the only way get water down, water off my somebody say amen. Do you have anything to say to the general public? Anyway, you didn't wish you know.
Good luck.
Thank you.
God bless you. So if you will die within a local government, you will not die. But somebody from one year also born this year, you will not certificate that.